Hello everyone. So I just wanted to make a quick update to the Ikea TERTIal lamp review. Now I have a review posted of the old lamp, and since then they've come out with a new lamp. Now there's really only one difference, and this difference is, it may be minor, but it actually kind of makes the lamp a little worse, I think, in most situations. And that difference is simply they moved the on-off switch. So the old lamp, this is the on-off switch, and the new lamp, the on-off switch is on the cord itself. This makes it somewhat inconvenient because if your lamp is kind of at the edge of a table or further away from where you're using it, you have to reach over, you gotta pretty much turn the switch, and it can be very uncomfortable to do so. Also, kind of where it's usually stuck onto the base, this means the switch will often hang just over the edge of the table, so you can't even see it without kind of lightly pulling the cable up. So I just want to make this simple update. One thing has changed. It's made the lamp a little worse, in my opinion, but it's still a great budget lamp for all kinds of purposes, for work, studying, garage, anything.